Cassava farming secrets, step-by-step guide summary. These are sustainable techniques that increase yields by 70% while cutting costs by 50%. Here is your blueprint for cassava farming prosperity. Let's look at the foundation. The 7 pillars of cassava success prosperity builds on disease-free planting material. That is between 40 to 100% yield advantage over disease-saved material. Improved variety, that is disease-resistant, high-yielding genetics. Optimal planting, 1 meter by 1 meter spacing, proper land with proper land preparation. Intensive early weed management, that is 3 weedings in the first 3 months. Strategic intercropping, using legumes, providing income plus nitrogen. Proper harvest timing and handling, 10 to 12 months. Careful technique, preventing deterioration. And value addition, that is processing, multiplying income between 200 and 400%. What are the expected transformation? Farmers implementing comprehensive practices over 2 to 3 seasons report yield increases of between 40 to 70%, from between 8 to 10 to 18 to 28 tons per hectare. Quality improvements commanding between 20 to 30% price premiums. Disease loss reductions from between 30 to 60% to between 5 to 10%. Weed control labor reductions of between 40 to 60% through early intensive management. Total production cost reductions of between 30 to 50%. Net income from cassava increasing between 300 to 700%, plus additional income from intercrops and processing. A 1 hectare farm transforms from conventional 9 tons times $80 ton, which is equals to $720 revenue, to $300 or $300 cost, which is equals to $420 profit, to sustainable intensive 25 tons times $120 per ton, which is equals to $3,000 revenue, plus $500 intercrop of $600 cost, to $2,900 profit, a 590% profit improvement, or even better with processing. 25 tons processed to 8 tons flour times $400 per ton equals to $3,200 revenue, with the $1,200 processing cost equals to $2,000 net from processing alone, plus intercropping income. Here is your call to action. Begin your cassava transformation now. This week, assess your current cassava production honestly, calculating actual yields and costs. Identify 3 biggest constraints: likely disease, poor planting material, or weed management. Research improved varieties and disease-free planting materials or planting material sources in your region. This month, source disease-free planting materials of improved varieties for your next planting. Practice selecting healthy plants in existing fields for your own planting material. Plan intercropping strategy. Investigate processing opportunities and markets. Next season, Implement proper spacing, intensive early weeding, intercropping, and proper harvest handling. Document results carefully, comparing to previous production. Begin simple processing experimentation. Engage with our community. Like this video, helping YouTube share this knowledge. Comment sharing your cassava farming challenges and success. Share widely with cassava farming communities. Every farmer implementing these practices multiplies food security and prosperity. Subscribe for weekly agricultural content that transforms livelihood. In conclusion, your cassava prosperity awaits. Cassava farming can transcend subsistence to become genuine prosperity. The practices you have learned, proven across millions of hectares and thousands of farmers, provide the complete roadmap: disease-free planting material, improved varieties, proper management, and value addition transforms this poor man's crop into wealth generator. The choice is yours. Continue conventional, low-yielding approaches, accepting poverty-level returns, or implement these practices systematically, achieving the 300 to 700% profit improvements millions have already realized. Your cassava farming success story begins today. Take action now. Research deeper, source quality materials, implement systematically, process and add value. Transform your cassava from subsistence survival to family prosperity. Your prosperous cassava farming future awaits. Go claim it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content transforming agricultural livelihoods worldwide. Together, we are building a global movement of prosperous cassava farmers. Welcome to your transformation, dear. Click on the link on the description below and watch the entire step-by-step strategies that we have discussed in this video. This is a game-changing discussion, and when you take it seriously, it is going to change the image and the perspective of your cassava farming. Cassava farming, which has been known as a poor man's enterprise, is no longer a poor man's enterprise. It is already an enterprise that can leave legacy for generations in your family and in the world. Thank you.